We got the ATX Exotics crew showing up. You know these V12s sound absolutely insane. You gotta love that V12, dude. Listen to that. Damn, dude. That black carbon fiber looks absolutely ridiculous. I love to see it. And then we got Wong and his orange SVJ. Ooh, buddy. That's super nice. Man, look at that. Man, you guys, so this green SVJ, I was actually able to see a few flames from it whenever it first came in. Who y'all think is gonna give us the bigger flames? The white Aventador, orange SVJ-R, or the green Aventador SVJ? Comment down below who y'all think is gonna be louder and who's gonna give us the better flames. We got Ferrari 812 leading the pack. And we got Mr. Tom right here. Still sounds good. Doesn't have the high-pitched noise, but still has that V12 sound. Man, that's wild, dude. J second. Oh, buddy. Oh, it still sounds a crazy pitch.